Hello, this is Dr. Aditya from Ishka Healthcare. So mental health we need to focus much upon, especially when you are working in a corporate sector. Nowadays, when the pandemic is on its high and when we have a lot of troubles in getting our home and work environment together, there's a lot of chances of you getting disturbed and distracted. So mental health becomes a primordial issue when it comes to these kind of problems. So every 1 in 6 of the employees working in corporate sector do have some kind of a mental health issues. Of every 15% of the total workforce which is working in the corporate sector has some kind of a disease of mental attributes. So we need to focus this upfront than just keeping behind the bushes. In the year 2019, an estimation of $186 billion was spent on mental health care by many of the companies. So this is the importance of employees' health because they have a lot to do with the employees and the employer as well. So when we look at the employees, on an estimate or on an average, people lose or people tend to get absent because of various reasons. One such reason is musculoskeletal disorder. Approximately 18% of them end up having some kind of a muscular disorders, of which 19% of them have some kind of an accidents, and an estimated around 9% to 20% do have some kind of a systemic problem like that of cardiovascular ailments or respiratory disorders. So when we look at a larger picture, the employees on a longer run do tend to succumb to these kind of diseases. So that is the reason why for employers, for the companies, there is a loss of pay and they have to cough up these kind of unnecessary and unwanted absenteeism, and that also reduces the workforce or the work strength of the company. So for employers, you can see that there has been an increase in the profit making abilities that reduces the amount of absenteeism in the company, so obviously they make a good amount from that, and along with that it enhances good communication skills among your employees and your partners or your customers. There is an increase in planning and reduce in error efficiency. So when you start working in a healthcare profession like that of taking care of your employees through healthcare for their mental health, there has been a good amount of increase in productivity of your employees. So what we can do or what we can offer is a different thing, but I would like to tell you one thing. So there are a few tips which you can actually take home and try to implement this and see what exactly changes. So here are a few tips which you can implement at your workplace. So one such tip is exercise. Ask your employees to get some exercise before you start off your work. That will enhance their productivity. Second is being more grateful to whatever they have been doing. So a company sending up a gratitude letter to their employees will boost their morals and that will enhance their work. Third is sleep cycle. So please do not disturb your employees, especially when they are sleeping, because that enhances their productivity. A break of sleep is basically not going to help your company, at the same time the employees as well. The fourth very important point is being more social, not on media but with your company employers. So call them up, just try to cheer them up and just try to talk to them like any other person, because a communication from the top end down the chain will obviously give them more comfort in working and also enhance their mental health. So the fifth one is to confront your thoughts. We all know we have some kind of a thoughts creeping in our minds. We all know some kind of a thought coming in across our minds. We need to address them. And here is where we come in. To address your thoughts, you need the right guidance, and we are the right guidance because we have been working in this field for last few years. So we have experts who know how to deal with mental stress, who know how to come across these kind of situations. So Ishka Healthcare will provide you the best opportunity to talk to your employees in a better way, to understand their thoughts and emotions and to navigate them in the right form. So let's see how well we can take up your mental health issues and how we can enhance your productivity. So Ishka Healthcare can provide you the best of meditative techniques, not just one or two. There are 8 to 9 different types of meditative techniques based on each individualistic approach. These meditative techniques are more programmed towards different personality types. They are programmed more towards what exactly an employee goes through. So along with this meditative technique, we also have counseling sessions. So a talking up session is also very mandatory when it comes to mental health counseling. So along with that, we need to also make sure that you are staying healthy. So food and lifestyle modifications can also be taken up as a part of this package. So hope to see you soon. So this is Dr. Aditya signing off from Ishka Healthcare. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Dr. Harsha Nair from Ishka Healthcare. I am Ayurvedic physician and mental health counselor. Today, I would like to brief you about Ayurveda. Ayurveda is an ancient holistic system that believes in Swasthasya Swasthya Rakshanam Aturasya Vikara Prashmanam, which means preserving the health in a healthy person and curing the root cause of a disease rather than suppressing the disease which is already present in a person. Ayurveda can be used in day-to-day life to prevent a person from getting disease by following some basic protocols, that is dinacharya or daily regimens like nasya or nasal erhines, dantadhavana or brushing teeth with medicated powder, kavala or oil pulling, gandusha or gargling, and many more. What Ayurveda can do for corporate on an online basis is what I would like to elaborate next. Identify the root cause of disease, if any, in your employees. Guide the employees to undergo appropriate diagnostic techniques to assist with the diagnosis. And finally, give customized advice for the diagnosed disorder, which will help in the root cause cure. The customized advice through online consultation and follow-up could include prescription of Ayurvedic medicines, which can be couriered to the patient, diet and nutrition advice, exercise and remedies that can be taken at your home, yoga and meditation, which our Dr. Lucy will elaborate on during her talks.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Lucy Devi, naturopathy physician from Ishka Healthcare. Today I'm going to explain about naturopathy and yoga and its benefit in corporate employees. So, naturopathy is a drugless system of medicine wherein we treat the disease through hydrotherapy, mud therapy, fasting, diet, yoga, etc. without any side effect. Naturopathy is based on the belief that our body can heal itself if given a chance and in proper surrounding. And it believes that a person can be called healthy only when he or she is fit mentally as well as physically. Now coming to yoga, it is originated from a Sanskrit word called yuj, meaning to unite or join. So the practice of yoga basically focuses on physical, mental and spiritual well-being of an individual. Now, how this system going to benefit the corporate employees? First of all, the most common problem that the employees face nowadays are musculoskeletal problems like back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, knee pain, etc., which happens because of long sitting postures or incorrect sitting postures, extended working hours, etc., for which we will be guiding various yoga postures and stretches that can be done sitting in the chair without leaving your cubicle in the office attire itself for immediate pain relief. The next thing that employees experience in today's world is the computer vision syndrome, wherein you experience dryness, itchiness, redness, and tiredness of eyes, headache, etc., which happens due to glaring at the screen for long-term improper lighting or uncorrected vision problems, for which we will be guiding the specific eye exercise to minimize the problem. Third is the obesity. It has become one of the most common lifestyle disorder due to increase in sedentary lifestyle. Obesity, even though it is a physical problem, but its impact is much more than just physical. Obesity not only increases the chance of diabetes, hypertension, sleep apnea, some forms of cancer, etc. It also lowers one's confidence level, increase depression, anxiety, etc. So, to cope with it, we will be counseling them along with diet and exercise guidance customized according to their medical need, if any. The fourth one is the sleep disorders that most of the employees have due to the change in shift and increased uses of gadgets and electronic items, which can be tackled by educating them about the sleep hygiene along with relaxation yoga. Also, to minimize the risk from the increased number of lifestyle disorders like diabetes, hypertension, hypercholesteremia, etc., the employees will be given diet and exercise guidance along with lifestyle modification. Lastly, we will also be giving meditation and breathing techniques which will help employees to increase their concentration and productivity, giving immediate relief from work-related anxiety and stress. So that is all for today. Thank you for joining me.